What's up, everybody? It's your boy Sir Q. If you guys don't know, the Real Housewives after show is soon to be going on for filming, and this is just exciting news that I actually didn't know up until now. But Torrin Mitchell, who previously played on Candy and the Gang, he's actually responsible for putting together this beautiful set. Right now, we see that the ladies are on and soon about to be filming for the Real Housewives of Atlanta after show. But this is just beautiful. I mean, he put this together from scratch. Keep in mind that, Torrin Mitchell is a creative interior designer. So he does a lot of big things out in Atlanta.
For more information like this plus more, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and comment as well. And a new episode is coming your way this week.